Gay lions discovered in Botswana, the incredible mystery that left scientists puzzled. Imagine you're on safari in the heart of Africa. The morning sun rises over the grasslands. A lion appears in the distance. It has a thick mane. It roars loudly across the plains. But then wildlife researchers make a discovery that leaves them stunned. This lion is not a male. It's a female. And what scientists discovered next became one of the strangest wildlife stories ever documented. Today, we're traveling to Botswana to explore the fascinating mystery of the gay lions, while also learning about Botswana's incredible wildlife and the surprising world of same-sex behavior in other animals. Where is Botswana? Before we begin, let's locate Botswana on the map. Botswana is a landlocked country in southern Africa. It shares borders with South Africa, Namibia, Zimbabwe and Zambia. Much of the country is covered by the vast Kalahari Desert, a huge semi-arid region known for its red sands, sparse vegetation and incredible wildlife. Despite being dominated by desert landscapes, Botswana is home to one of Africa's greatest natural wonders, the Okavango Delta. Unlike most rivers that flow into the ocean, the Okavango River empties into the desert, creating a massive inland wetland filled with lagoons, islands, floodplains, and rich wildlife habitats. The Okavango Delta and the nearby Moremi Game Reserve are among the best places on Earth to see elephants, leopards, cheetahs, wild dogs, hippos, crocodiles, and of course, lions. Botswana is also one of Africa's most stable nations and is famous for its diamond industry, which has helped transform the country's economy over the past several decades. But hidden among Botswana's spectacular wildlife is a mystery that has puzzled scientists for years. Meet the lion, Africa's most famous predator. The lion is often called the king of the jungle. Ironically, lions rarely live in jungles. Instead, they thrive in grasslands, savannas, open woodlands, thorn scrub, and semi-arid environments throughout Africa. Lions are the second largest big cats in the world after tigers. Adult males can grow up to 10 feet long from nose to tail and weigh between 330 and 550 pounds. Females are slightly smaller but are still incredibly powerful predators, weighing up to 395 pounds. Lions possess muscular bodies, massive jaws, sharp teeth and powerful forelegs designed for taking down large prey such as zebras, wildebeest, buffalo and antelope. One of the most recognizable features of male lions is their mane. A lion's mane is the long, thick hair that surrounds the head, neck and upper shoulders of an adult male lion. Normally, only males develop this impressive feature. That's why scientists were fascinated when they discovered lionesses in Botswana with short, male-like manes. A mane can range in colour from blonde to dark black. Its size and colour are influenced by age, genetics, health and hormone levels. Scientists believe the mane serves several purposes. It helps attract females, intimidates rivals, and may even provide protection during fights. Female lions, however, do not normally grow manes. At least, that's what scientists believed. The world's most social big cat. Unlike most big cats, lions are highly social animals. They live in groups called prides. A pride may contain several related females, their cubs, and one or more adult males. Some prides contain only a few members, while others can exceed 30 or even 40 individuals. The lionesses do most of the hunting. Working together, they can bring down prey much larger than themselves. The males focus heavily on protecting the pride's territory from rival lions. This social structure has made lions one of the most successful predators on the African continent. Yet even within these well-studied social groups, nature can still produce surprises. And that's exactly what happened in Botswana. The discovery that shocked scientists. For years, safari guides in Botswana's Moremi Game Reserve reported seeing something unusual. A few lionesses appeared to be growing manes. At first, some observers thought they were simply young males. But as researchers continued monitoring the animals, a remarkable truth emerged. These lions were females. Scientists eventually documented several lionesses with visible manes. One female became especially famous. Researchers identified her as SAF-05. She wasn't simply growing a mane, she was behaving like a male lion. Researchers observed her roaring frequently, marking territory, displaying dominance, and behaving in ways rarely seen among ordinary lionesses. Even more surprising, some of these manned females were observed mounting other female lions. The observations attracted worldwide attention and sparked questions about what was happening. Were these lions changing sex? Were they homosexual? Or was something else occurring? To answer those questions, scientists had to look deeper into lion biology. The science behind the mane. The most likely explanation involves hormones, specifically testosterone. Testosterone is present in both males and females, but males typically produce much higher levels. In lions, testosterone influences mane growth, territorial behavior, aggression, and other characteristics normally associated with males. Researchers believe these unusual lionesses may naturally produce unusually high amounts of testosterone. That could explain why they develop manes and display male-like behaviors. Scientists also discovered another clue. Although some of the maned lionesses showed mating behavior, none were known to become pregnant. This suggests they may be infertile, a condition that can sometimes occur when hormone levels become significantly altered. The combination of mane growth, male-like behavior, and infertility strongly supports the hormone theory. Could genetics be responsible? Another mystery remains. All of the documented maned lionesses were found within the same region of Botswana. That has led some scientists to suspect genetics may also play a role. A rare genetic variation could affect hormone production and development. If true, it would help explain why these unusual females appear in a concentrated geographic area. Researchers continue studying the phenomenon, but many questions remain unanswered. What makes these lionesses especially fascinating is that they appear healthy. They hunt, they survive, they interact normally with their prides. In many ways, they live successful lives despite their unusual appearance. Same-sex behavior in the animal kingdom. When news about the maned lionesses spread, many headlines described them as gay lions. But scientists caution against applying human labels too quickly. Same-sex behavior has been observed throughout the animal kingdom. In fact, researchers have documented some form of same-sex sexual behavior in more than 1,500 animal species. These behaviors can include courtship, pair bonding, mounting, affection, social bonding, and even cooperative parenting. The reasons vary greatly between species. Sometimes the behavior strengthens social relationships. Sometimes it helps establish dominance. And in some cases, scientists are still unsure why it occurs. One of the most famous examples comes from penguins. Penguins, nature's tuxedo-wearing birds. Penguins are among the most beloved birds on Earth. Unlike most birds, they cannot fly. Instead, their wings evolved into powerful flippers that allow them to become exceptional swimmers. Their bodies are streamlined like torpedoes, helping them move efficiently through water. Some penguin species can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour underwater. Their distinctive black and white coloration serves as camouflage. From above, their dark backs blend into the ocean depths. From below, their white bellies blend with sunlight shining through the water. This camouflage technique is known as countershading. There are 18 recognized penguin species. Most live in the southern hemisphere. Only one species, the Galapagos penguin, naturally lives north of the equator. Penguins vary enormously in size. The tiny little blue penguin stands only about 10 to 12 inches tall and weighs just a few pounds. At the opposite extreme, the emperor penguin can grow nearly 4 feet tall and weigh close to 90 pounds. Many people assume penguins only live in Antarctica. While some do, others inhabit surprisingly warm environments. Penguins can be found in Australia, New Zealand, South America, South Africa, and the Galapagos Islands. The African penguin. One especially interesting species is the African penguin. Also known as the Cape penguin, it lives along the coastlines of South Africa and Namibia. Unlike Antarctic penguins, African penguins inhabit relatively warm waters. Adults typically stand between 24 and 28 inches tall and weigh around 5 to 8 pounds. They are easily identified by the distinctive black facial mask, spotted white chest and pink patches above their eyes. These pink patches help regulate body temperature. When temperatures rise, increased blood flow through the skin helps release excess heat. African penguins spend much of their lives at sea hunting fish, squid and small marine creatures. Unfortunately, their populations have declined significantly due to overfishing, habitat loss, pollution and climate change. Today, conservation efforts are working to protect these charismatic birds. Famous penguin partnerships. Scientists have also observed same-sex pair bonding among penguins. Some male penguins have formed long-term partnerships, built nests together, and even attempted to raise eggs. These observations have been documented in multiple penguin species around the world. Such behaviors remind us that nature is often more diverse and complex than many people realize. And just like the manned lionesses of Botswana, these examples challenge assumptions about how animals behave. What makes the manned lionesses so special? These remarkable lions challenge one of the most basic assumptions people have about lions, that only males grow manes. Yet here we have female lions breaking the rules. They look different, they behave differently, and they continue to thrive in the wild. For wildlife researchers, they provide a rare opportunity to better understand how hormones and genetics shape animal behavior. For the rest of us, they serve as a reminder that nature rarely fits neatly into the categories humans create. Somewhere in the wetlands and grasslands of Botswana's Okavango Delta, these extraordinary lionesses still roam. Their manes ripple in the African wind. Their roars echo across the savannah. And their existence continues to puzzle scientists and amaze visitors from around the world. They are living proof that even after centuries of studying wildlife, nature can still surprise us. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below and tell us what you think about Botswana's mysterious manned lionesses. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more fascinating wildlife stories from Africa and around the world. Thank Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.